Hey, g'day there, it's Craig from KickAss, and let's look at one of our products that really does suck and it blows at the same time. You beauty! Let's check out our brand new 4-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner, blower, inflator and deflator. That's right, it vacuums. Alrighty, now we're done as a vacuum cleaner, we can just empty her out or remove the attachment. Now we've got the blower side, so what we can do is use it just like that. I'm going to put this small attachment so it just locks in there anti-clockwise like that. Let's give that a crack as a blower. We've vacuumed, we've blown, now we're going to inflate. Now, once again, you can use a couple of these little adapters for the inflator, but what I am going to do, I'm going to use this little fella here, which is great for like lilos and everything you have to use to blow up by your mouth. And what we'll do is we'll pump up one of our kick-ass beach balls without wasting a single breath. Let's go. Okay, there we go. I didn't waste a single breath. So now we've used it as an inflator. I'm going to use it as a deflator. We can use this side of it now. Now, a lot of air mattresses and stuff like that have the really big hole where you can put it on there and suck all the air out. In this particular case, I'm going to show you a quick little trick. Turn her on. It stays on there like that. So I've sucked all the air out of our beach ball, and that was just by using the vacuum to suck on that and get all the air out, you ripper. Everything comes in the kit that you could possibly need. So you've got your main blower, the vacuum cleaner attachment. So basically all we do is whack that on there like that, as well as you've got your extension pipe here. You can put your little brush head on there as well. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Otherwise, you've got this little fella once again. So there's your vacuum cleaning side of it done. Now to get to the filter, it's nice and easy. We just rip her out. Give it a twist like that, and that accesses your filter, so you can give it a blowout, or we do give you a replacement HEPA filter as well, so they can be washed and cleaned, which is really, really groovy. So there you go, there's the vacuum cleaner side of it. On the blower side of it, we've got your other attachments like this, so this comes in really, really cool. So all they do is they just screw on, just like that there. So rip up, there you go, that's how you blow things up. As well as the little inflator as well. You can use that on smaller stuff like I did with the beach ball. Comes with a USB-C cable, as well as this awesome little bag to keep it all in and protect it till next time you go to use it. How cool is that? It's great having this clear catch can so you can see when she's full and you know when it's time to empty it. All we need to do is flick over the little locking mechanism there, press the button. Look, she just tips over. I'm just going to lay this down here with that. Whack her back on. Ready for next time. An hour and a half to charge via USB-C, and we chuck in the cable too. We've thought of everything. It's a nice little LCD display that lets you know what your battery level is at. So you've also got the LCD that shows you your low speed and your high speed as well. So she's got 2 speeds. Some run time with the brushless DC motor makes it really economical on power, and you'll get between 15 to 32 minutes depending on what setting you're using. And being kick-ass, you know we've got all your lithium battery protection built in, overcharging, over-discharging, as well as all your temperature protections. The kick-ass 4-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner, blower, inflator and deflator. Head online or head in store today.